Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold right here on MetaTrader 5. And first of all, what you need to know is if you want to buy gold, you need this market watch icon right there. So if you don't have this market watch standing right here, you can click here on view and then select here market watch. Now I do it again. So now we have market watch right here. Then what you can do is fill in right here, click to add, and then fill in XAU and then USD, and there we have it, gold to US dollar. So now we click right there on that and then we do enter, and now we have it standing right there. Then we throw this here to the chart. So we will do this real quick. Boom, there we are. And now it's standing here, gold to US dollars. And if you want to buy this, we can click here on new order, select here which type we want to use. So for now, market execution is fine. Select here how much volume we want to buy. So let's do 2. And then after this, just click right here on buy by market. You can also add a take profit or a stop loss on it if you want to do that. But right now we click here on buy by market. And then right now it's saying the market is closed. But normally when the market is open, you can buy right here gold on the market. So this is how you can buy gold right here on MetaTrader 5. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.